Your breath is moving gently into mine. Every second feels like perfect time. No need for words, you touch the door. I'm right here if you ever fall.